Okay, I think I found my problem. I seem to have a little bit of play right here where my lower bar joint is right here. Okay, and put this screwdriver right here, right in the middle right here. Okay, I missed it right there. Okay, I'm gonna move it up and down. You can see the play. You shouldn't have any play right there in the middle. But you see that? Let's try it again. I got movement right there. I'll try it again this way. Okay. Okay. See that movement right there? I shouldn't have that kind of movement right there in the middle. There you go. See that? When I move it up and down. So the lower bar joint is supposed to be tighter than that. So that is what's causing the noise that I'm hearing. I've already changed out my CV axle right here. This is new. And my wheel bearing. Okay, I changed my wheel bearing now. It's brand new. I thought it was my wheel bearing, but that's not the problem. The problem is this right here. My tie rod is, my lower ball joint rather, is bad and needs to be changed out. So let me do it again for you. Right there. See that movement right there? That's what the problem is. So I need to get a lower ball joint for this side. It's kind of loud in the background. Okay, and change it out.